Hello, welcome back to our channel, where natural health is always our main focus. And today, we have a crucial warning for you. Never drink baking soda until you watch this video. That's a bold statement, I know. But today, I'm going to debunk one of the most popular natural remedies, and also one of the most misunderstood: baking soda. You'll learn the truth about the safety, real benefits, and hidden dangers of using baking soda, whether for your digestion, your teeth, or even your exercise routine. Many of you, like me in the past, have probably heard of baking soda as a magic cure for everything from heartburn to stomach aches, or even for whitening teeth. It's easy to find and seems harmless. But the truth is that this apparent simplicity hides a complexity. Do you feel lost among so much conflicting information online? One day they say it's good, the next that it's dangerous. This confusion can lead to mistakes that, instead of promoting health, can harm your well-being in the long run. It's time to put an end to this uncertainty. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of baking soda and cover 6 crucial points you need to know. Let's explore whether it's really safe to drink, what its true benefits are, how it acts in your stomach and the associated risks, the impact on your oral health, the safest ways to use it, and other natural applications that may surprise you. Get ready for a dose of clarity that will transform your perspective on this pantry staple. Let's get straight to the point. Yes, baking soda can be safe to drink, but with major caveats. Its safety critically depends on the dose, frequency, and your individual health condition. The real danger arises with excessive or incorrect use. Imagine a fire extinguisher. It's great for putting out small fires, but you wouldn't use it to clean your house, right? Baking soda is similar. For occasional relief from heartburn, it can be helpful. But using it daily as a health tonic can lead to serious problems such as electrolyte imbalance, metabolic alkalosis, and even kidney damage. Before considering drinking baking soda regularly, talk to your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional. This is crucial, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions such as heart or kidney problems, hypertension, or if you are pregnant. Breastfeeding. Children in particular should never consume baking soda. By understanding the risks and seeking professional advice, you protect your health and avoid dangerous side effects. Baking soda is famous for its alkalizing properties, and it is true that it can have some benefits. Its best-known role is as an antacid, providing quick relief from heartburn, as we will see in detail below. In addition, there is an interesting field of research on the use of baking soda to improve performance in high-intensity exercise known as bicarbonate loading. It can help neutralize the lactic acid produced by muscles, delaying fatigue. However, this should be done under supervision and with specific doses, as gastrointestinal side effects are common. Always ask yourself, is the source of this information scientific or just anecdotal? For any use beyond occasional relief from heartburn, research studies, or consult a specialist. You will use baking soda in an informed way, taking advantage of its potential benefits without falling into health traps. When heartburn strikes, the temptation to use baking soda is great. It is a powerful alkalizer that quickly neutralizes stomach acid, providing almost instant relief. That's the good. But here comes the bad. This relief is often temporary. Your body may react to this excessive neutralization by producing even more acid, which we call acid rebound. This means that, in the long run, you may end up in a vicious cycle of dependence, and the ugly. Chronic use of baking soda for stomach problems can lead to electrolyte imbalances such as low potassium levels, bloating, gas, and even interfere with the absorption of important nutrients, since stomach acid is vital for digestion. Use baking soda for heartburn only in occasional and emergency situations, never as a daily solution. If you suffer from heartburn or reflux frequently, this is a sign that you need medical attention. You avoid aggravating your digestive problems and seek real, lasting solutions for your stomach health. Baking soda has long been used as a secret for whiter teeth and fresher breath. And yes, it does play a role here. Its mild abrasiveness can help remove surface stains from teeth, and its ability to neutralize acids in the mouth can inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause cavities and bad breath. However, the line between cleaning and damage is thin. Overuse or overly aggressive brushing with baking soda can lead to erosion of tooth enamel, making teeth more sensitive and susceptible to long-term damage. To use baking soda safely in your oral hygiene routine, consider diluting it in water as an occasional mouthwash, or mixing a small amount with your toothpaste a few times a week, not daily. Never replace regular brushing and visits to the dentist with baking soda. You can enjoy the positive aspects of baking soda for a brighter smile, without compromising the integrity of your tooth enamel. Safety is the key word here. For internal use, the generally recommended dose for occasional heartburn relief is 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, dissolved in 1/2 cup of water. And again, occasional means it's not meant to be a daily habit. Do I take it on a full stomach? Mixing baking soda with a large amount of food can lead to excessive gas and bloating. Avoid mixing it with certain medications. It can interact with calcium-containing antacids, heart medications, and some antibiotics, altering their absorption or effectiveness. Watch for signs of an adverse reaction. Headaches, nausea, vomiting, swelling in the legs or ankles, or increased thirst are signs that you should stop using it and seek medical help. Always keep in mind that less is more when it comes to baking soda. If you are unsure, always consult a doctor or a pharmacist. This will protect you from unpleasant side effects and ensure that you are using this resource responsibly. Fortunately, baking soda has a multitude of natural and safe uses that go far beyond ingestion. It is a true wild card for your home and body. Baking soda baths. Adding a cup of baking soda to your bathwater can help relieve skin irritations, itching such as insect bites or chicken pox, and even be relaxing. Just make sure your skin isn't sensitive to it. Foot bath. For tired, smelly, or fungal feet, a foot bath with baking soda can work wonders. Natural deodorant. A paste of baking soda and water can be an effective chemical-free deodorant. Mild cleaner for non-toxic household cleaning. It is excellent for removing odors from refrigerators, carpets, or as a mild abrasive for pots and surfaces. Explore these external and household uses for baking soda. They are safe, effective, and align perfectly with a natural and healthy lifestyle. You discover versatile and safe ways to integrate baking soda into your life, improving your overall well-being. Think about it. Every time you choose to learn about a natural remedy and use it wisely, you are investing in your greatest asset, your health. Don't fall for myths or fads. Educate yourself, ask questions, and prioritize safety. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. Protect it with knowledge. If this video has brought you clarity and valuable information about baking soda, I ask that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, and comment below. What was the most surprising information you learned today about baking soda? Your participation is very important to us. The journey to natural health is not about blindly following. It's about understanding, choosing wisely, and taking the first informed step. Continue to nurture your natural health and watch these videos as well. Your liver is dying. 13 strange signs of liver damage you need to know. And my video on what your doctor won't tell you about drinking water on an empty stomach. Thank you for staying with me until the end of this video. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote the well-being of all. Subscribe for more health videos.